Hello everyone, so in today's video I will be showing you guys how to screenshot any parts of your screen and share to anyone very easily. So before, as a developer, maybe you are working remotely and you want to share your content or maybe an error log to your colleague or your supervisor. The process is to screenshot it, save the image in whatever image format you want with a name, and then save it inside your PC, and then go over to wherever you want to send the image to, and then copy it, then send. So this is a pretty much a long process to do, but today I will be showing you guys how to do it in a flash. So first of all, you need a tool called Snipping Tool. So Snipping Tool, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, is pretty much pre-installed in your Windows, so you don't need to install it on your own. But if you don't have it, you can always head over to Google and then search for Snipping Tool, or maybe head over to your App Store and then search for it in your App Store. You can always get it here. So how are we going to use it? So let's click on Windows icon and then search for Snipping Tool and then click it. So when we click it, we will have this window here. Just click on this new. When you click on this new, you will have this grayish window with a cursor, to show you where or wherever you want to screenshot. So just head over here, click and drag the portion that you want to screenshot. You can click and drag, and once you click and drag and you're satisfied, just leave it, release all the key that you are holding. Automatically it's captured the screen for you, and now you have the image that you have captured like this. You can save if you want, which will still take you to where you have to choose a folder, choose a name, file format you want to save it. But we don't want that. You want to just send this directly to whoever you want to send it to. Just click on this copy. Once you click on this copy, you can now send this image to wherever you want. Like now I've opened my Paint. Once I just hit Ctrl V, automatically I now have this image inside my Paint. You see, very fast. I can do whatever modification I want to do on it, or maybe I want to share this to someone on my WhatsApp. For instance, let's click this. Okay, let's say my WhatsApp, I want to send this image somewhere. Okay, for instance, let me just do this again. Please Ctrl V again here. Now you have this code right here. I can just hit send, or maybe write a description about the image that I'm sending and then send it to maybe my colleague or whoever I want to send the image to. You can also do that inside your email. For instance, let's say after you have sent the image, you no longer need to have it, so you can just cancel it. Just click, it will be asked, you'll be asked whether to save the image. Just click no, because you no longer need to. You have already sent the image to whoever you want to send it to. So this will also save you some space inside your computer, instead of having to always save any image you want to send to anyone. So you can also do the same thing here, maybe inside your email. Just click on Snipping Tool, click on new, grab whatever you want to grab, and then click on copy, for instance. And let's say you want to click on compose a new email. Down inside your body, just hit Ctrl V, and automatically you will have the image that you just screen grabbed, and you can now send or do whatever you want to do with it. Very simple as ABCD.